Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So today we do not need to talk a lot. It's because everything is going with our trading plan that we have discussed. As we said yesterday, intraday context remains bullish until market will not reach the area around 1.70. There might be some questions, what will happen. Currently guys, I do not really understand what's the FRE stance on European markets. So today the DAX index has opened with a gap up. On the euro currency we see the upside performance. Well, I personally do not see any reasons to be really happy currently. So, and especially if we'll take a look at other markets, for example, by taking a look at this our euro currency on the 4-time frame chart, a few grabbers have been formed recently. We will talk about this a bit later. For example, if we'll take a look at the interest rates, you could see that the United States interest rates are rising, which sooner or later but provide some support to the dollar. And currently with this performance to the upside, well, it's really big questions what the background for this upward rally on the euro currency. So anyway, whatever it will be, currently everything goes perfect. So recall what we discussed yesterday. For the taking the short position, we will be watching first when the market will touch the confluence. So it doesn't mean that we immediately will sell when the market touch the confluence, but we start watching for possible signs of the reversal here, and because few moments point on this level that might be actually the points where theoretical market could reestablish downward action. First of all, it's rather strong daily level, and also if you remember on the hourly chart we have the XOP, it's 108.70, 71 approximately. So also will be the agreement. That's why in the current circumstances, we're just waiting when this target will be completed. Besides, nominally, you can see that trend remains bullish here on the daily chart. So we need first to see what will happen here, because this is already has relation to weekly time frame where a trend stands bearish. And in fact, this is the daily time frame here is just an area and a time frame where we're watching for possible reversals and making decision on the entry. So we faded daily trend against the major weekly tendency. That's the major idea. The same we do in relation to the intraday charts based on the daily time frame. So daily trend is major, while the annual retracements on the intraday charts to the downside were fading by this major direction. So the trend on the lower time frames doesn't matter if you trade on the daily time frame. So actually this is the direction that you need to know. On the lower time frame, just watching for the levels, possible reversal moments, using some minor patterns and so on. So on the 4 time frame chart, actually things that has happened that we discussed. So yesterday we said keep watching for some minor retracement to one of these levels. Market should not break the confluence. So initially you could place stop slightly below this area, as we said. Everything was great. Besides, right here, as I already shown you on a few minutes ago, that here we've got the grabber. So that was great opportunity for position taking. As you can see, market right now is going higher. On the hourly chart, you also could see what has happened around the OP. Clear ABCD retracement that we said. This might be got is cheaper to buy, so place initial stop somewhere below the confluence, as we said, and market now is going higher, breaking this level and moving up. So based on this type of action, it means that currently you could use these lows as an validation point or some kind of the critical level for all this stuff, which is because this is actually should be the continuation of the major AB swing and the CD action, because retracement and reaction on the OP already is done with this ABCD retracement. That should be the continuation of the major tendency and should lead to the XOP, which stands around 1.76. That's what we have here. So if you do not have long position, you still would like to take it, of course you could try to maybe take some positions on some retracements, but you do not need to place too far stops, so this is your major swing will be. The one thing that I would like to warn you about is that recall that we also have this engulfing pattern. And initially, when we talked about the possible long entry in the weekend, we said here might be some kind of the hand shorts, or you could use just this pattern, so some retracement for a position taking. It means that here we have, guys, another extension based precisely particular on this pattern. So if you will take a look at the extensions, you could see that we also have additional minor target around 108.54, which is the XOP based on precisely on this level. So that also might be some, well, reasons for some pullback or some retracement or something. This is our major target, this is minor target, but still it exists. So you can see both OP stands in the same area, as from the minor extension as from the large one. But just keep in mind that this also might be some barrier here, so if you will see some market is stopping and some showing some pullback, it's just because of this level. So that's actually all that we could say about euro accounts for now. Trading plan remains the same. Those who have longs could keep them with this break-even stops. Control its targets, 108.55 or 108.75. Make the decisions how you will manage your position around them. For the bears, currently I see nothing to do. We have to wait when the XOP will be reached, and then we need to see what reaction will be. If something bearish will be formed there, we could try to take the short position. If not, then correspondingly we will not take any position. So let's keep watching and see what will happen.